Is your Trane XR15 outdoor unit not starting? This can be due to electrical issues, mechanical problems, or environmental factors. We'll break down the common causes and how to troubleshoot them. Here's an overview of the XR15 outdoor unit showing key components like the control board, compressor, and fan. Common electrical issues include faulty capacitors, blown fuses, or wiring problems. Check voltage and connections first. Mechanical problems like low refrigerant levels, compressor failure, or seized bearings can prevent the unit from starting. Environmental factors like extreme weather, ice buildup, or debris can also prevent startup. Clean and protect the unit regularly. As of 2026, aging components are the primary culprit, especially in units installed before 2015. Keep in mind that Trane has also issued recalls for certain units, so it's best to start there. The XR15 outdoor unit requires 208/230 volts single-phase power to operate properly. Always start by checking for tripped breakers in your electrical panel. Next, inspect all electrical connections for looseness or damage. A faulty capacitor, particularly the run capacitor, is one of the most common causes of startup failure. Use a multimeter to test voltage at the contactor terminals. Important safety warning: always disconnect power from the unit before performing any electrical tests. Remember to safely discharge capacitors before handling them to avoid electrical shock. If the electrical components check out fine, the problem may lie in the mechanical parts of your Trane XR15 unit. Let's examine the compressor and refrigerant system, which are critical for the unit's operation. The compressor is the heart of your XR15 unit. Common issues include low refrigerant levels that reduce pressure, seized bearings that lock up the internal mechanisms, or overheat protection that shuts down the unit to prevent damage. For refrigerant-related issues, use pressure gauges to measure system pressure. Low levels indicate leaks or improper charging. UV dye helps visualize leaks under blacklight. Important warning: an incorrect refrigerant charge puts excessive strain on the compressor, potentially causing permanent damage. Note that older XR15 models use R410A refrigerant, which requires specific handling procedures. Recent Trane XR15 units have advanced significantly with new capabilities and features. Since 2025, Trane has released updated firmware for XR15 units that enhances their diagnostic capabilities. The firmware includes AI-powered apps that diagnose startup issues through smartphone connectivity. This reduces the need for manual troubleshooting. Using these apps can resolve up to 60% of electrical startup issues remotely, making maintenance more efficient. These smart diagnostics integrate with the unit's circuit diagrams, providing real-time monitoring of components like the compressor and relays. Overall, these smart diagnostics lead to faster fixes, lower repair costs, and more proactive maintenance for your Trane XR15 unit. Start by checking the power supply to the Trane XR15 unit. Ensure the breaker isn't tripped and connections are secure. Use a multimeter to verify voltage at the unit. Next, calibrate your thermostat. A miscalibrated thermostat can prevent the unit from starting. Compare the thermostat reading with a separate thermometer. Test the run capacitor with a multimeter. Check for continuity and verify the microfarads rating matches specifications. A faulty capacitor often causes startup failures. Test the contactor by checking voltage across its terminals. Look for signs of corrosion or wear that could prevent proper electrical flow. Conduct thorough voltage and continuity tests throughout the system. Remember that 80% of startup problems are electrical in nature. For suspected refrigerant leaks or compressor problems, always consult a professional. These require specialized tools and certification. A common fix for Trane XR15 startup issues is replacing a faulty start capacitor. This electrical component provides the initial boost needed for the compressor to start. According to industry data, capacitors account for about 40% of startup failures in these units. For example, in July 2024, a homeowner in Illinois experienced unit failure during a 105 degrees Fahrenheit heat wave. The root cause was a blown fuse from power surges, compounded by a faulty start capacitor. The fix involved replacing the capacitor and installing a surge protector, costing around $200. Another case involved water damage to the control board after a storm, leading to intermittent non-starting. The resolution was drying the components and applying a protective conformal coating, saving $500 compared to full replacement. This highlights the importance of storm-resistant upgrades. These real-world examples demonstrate how electrical surges and environmental factors can cause startup issues and how targeted fixes can resolve them effectively. Experts recommend regular capacitor checks to extend the XR15's lifespan by 5 to 7 years. This involves visual inspection for any bulging or damage and using a multimeter to test voltage levels. HVAC technicians estimate that 70% of not starting issues can be fixed with basic tools like a multimeter for testing voltage, screwdrivers for connections, and pliers for wiring. Annual tune-ups are crucial, potentially reducing startup failures by 50%. These include cleaning coils and filters, checking refrigerant levels, and inspecting electrical connections. Be cautious about refrigerant handling as it requires EPA certification. Always consult a professional for complex issues to avoid safety risks and warranty voids. HVAC maintenance is shifting towards sustainability and digitalization. The industry is embracing smarter technologies and eco-friendly materials to create more efficient and reliable systems. Newer XR15 models now feature variable speed compressors that reduce energy use by adjusting output based on demand. This innovation can lower operating costs and improve system longevity. Predictive maintenance via AI is becoming more common, with apps like Trane's True Comfort providing real-time diagnostics and alerts. This helps prevent issues before they cause the unit to fail. The industry is also moving towards eco-friendly refrigerants with lower global warming potential. This chart shows different refrigerant options and their environmental impact. While DIY troubleshooting is on the rise due to cost concerns, remember that improper fixes can increase long-term failure rates and void warranties. Always consult professionals for complex repairs. For older XR15 units, consider retrofitting to use low GWP refrigerants. This upgrade not only improves efficiency, but also supports environmental sustainability. By adopting these sustainable practices and digital tools, XR15 maintenance becomes more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. This ensures reliable cooling for years to come.